Sir, I am glad to have this opportunity to take part in this discussion. I am afraid that the finance minister is in a difficult position today. He has been here as finance minister for the last 10 years. Today, he has received appreciation from the members. He is in a difficult position because there cannot be any reply for appreciation expressed by the members. There can be a reply only if there is criticism in the speeches. We are glad that the Pay Commission has done very good work. We are happy that after a good deal of consideration, something good is being done to the government servants. As has been pointed out by the finance minister, the expenditure on this account will increase very much. I do not want to go into details. I think that the revision has been made after a good deal of examination by the finance department. The real issue, as far as we are concerned, is this. The government have agreed to incur this additional expenditure. The question is how they are going to make this up. This is a matter which will be agitating the mind of the finance minister. I understand that so far as the expenditure for this year is concerned, he is appealing to the government of India for a subsidy. I have no doubt that this demand is reasonable, but it is not known whether the finance minister will be able to persuade the central government to accept this demand. In this matter, I may assure him that he has the support of this House. If this is not possible, I have no doubt that he will have to think of fresh taxes. Then something has been said about economy in expenditure. Some honorable members have said that many new posts are created and that there is waste. The government should look into this and avoid waste as far as possible. I am sure that the government employees will do their best for the country. They may have still some difficulties, but taking into consideration the conditions under which we live, we must feel satisfied that the government have done their best. I am sure the government servants as a whole will work to the best of their ability. They must feel that they are doing something which would help the state to prosper. I wish them success. letter from Asokan and Company, Chennai, to Messrs. Balu and Company, Salem. Dear sirs, we thank you for the consignment of butter. It was received yesterday. We are glad to note that the quality is very satisfactory, as usual. We hope it will be maintained in future also. At the same time, we are sorry to bring to your notice that when the consignment was opened, it was found short in weight by 10 kilograms. We are sure that it was not intentional. We have no doubt that you will agree that the shortage is so heavy that it cannot be ignored. It will put us to a great loss. In the circumstances, we request you to send us a credit note for rupees 1,000, being the value of the loss. We know that you will certainly take extra care in sending the goods in future and take steps to see that such things do not occur. Yours faithfully,